Hey guys, this is Wolverine Gaming from server 773. For complete Frontline Breakthrough 41, go to my profile, then go to settings and go to general settings and make sure your graphics quality is at high. Don't make it medium or low. Also turn off the power saving mode. So right now we're going to complete the Frontline Breakthrough level 41. So do as I do in this video. So go to 41 and first go to the right and don't miss any single bullet and get as high as you can and get this AKM and go to the left and stay at the left to get this big monster first. Okay, so high level monster will be killed and then you can go to right slightly, killing these dog zombies and get this AKM as also, and stay at this and you'll get a soldier also in this position, and make sure you stay here for these machine gun soldiers and then go to the left and stay at you where is big zombie. Okay, kill mega zombies before the small ones so they don't harm you. And boom guys, you can see we have almost completed the level, and now you can kill all the zombies you want with these machine guns. No one's gonna stop you, and our mission is right now completed. As you can see, we got only 10 units, but that's okay because this level is very difficult. I hope this video is useful. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more video updates about last war games. So guys, see ya.